I have this wooden pumpkin cut out, and I'm going to start by removing the hanger and taking some foil and wrapping it around the raffia that's attached to the unfinished pumpkin. So when I paint it, I keep it nice and clean. And I'm starting with Snow Owl by Wise Owl, and I'm giving 2 coats. Once dry, I'm applying my 1-hour enamel, or you can use Mod Podge, whatever glue you're going to use. And I'm just sticking to the raised areas, and I'm taking my tissue paper and laying it down across the pumpkin. And again, I'm just concentrating with the glue on this raised areas. And now I'm doing my top coat, and I'm allowing that to dry. I apologize, as I was sanding, my camera was moving, but you're going to go around and you're going to sand off all the edges. And the tissue paper does release quite easily. So you're just scooting the sandpaper along the edge of these raised areas, and it comes off kind of like a razor blade. And because you avoided the glue in the other areas, it comes off quite nicely. Now, if by any chance you accidentally do glue the tissue paper in an area you didn't want it, you can usually sand it right off. Again, so sorry for the movement of the camera. So now I'm going to remove my foil and reposition my raffia. I took this Harvest metal sign, and using some E6000, I glued it to the front of my pumpkin. And then I found these napkin rings. They do have a ring at the bottom that I had pulled off, and then it kind of falls apart once that part is off. So I just re-glued the buffalo ribbon and the sunflower together at the top and reapplied my hanger. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.